Have you ever asked yourself, will AI take my job? Artificial intelligence is advancing so fast that 2026 may look nothing like today's workplace. In this video, we'll uncover which jobs are most at risk, which ones are safe, and how you can prepare for the AI-driven future. Let's start with the bad news. Many jobs are at high risk of automation. Clerical and administrative roles, data entry, receptionists, and basic customer service are being replaced by chatbots that work 24/7. Writers and content creators. AI can already generate blogs, ads, and even video scripts. Generic writing jobs could vanish. Transportation and delivery. Self-driving trucks and drones are on the rise. Customer support. By 2026, experts predict over 90% of queries may be handled by AI assistants. Research and analysis. Machines now scan and summarize information faster than humans ever could. But not all jobs are doomed. Some roles are hard to replace. Creative professionals, filmmakers, artists, and designers who blend imagination with AI will thrive. Healthcare workers. Empathy, trust, and ethics keep doctors and nurses valuable. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, jobs requiring hands-on expertise are safe for now. AI-related careers. Prompt engineers, AI trainers, and data security experts are new, high-demand roles. Why can't AI completely replace us? Because human intelligence isn't just data. It's creativity, empathy, and moral judgment. Machines may predict, but they can't truly feel. These uniquely human skills are your greatest advantage. So, how do you secure your future? Learn AI tools. Don't ignore them, master them. Upgrade skills in communication, creativity, and problem solving. Collaborate with AI instead of competing with it. Keep learning. The future belongs to the adaptable. So, will AI take your job in 2026? For some, yes. But for others, AI will unlock new opportunities. The key is how you prepare today. Remember, the future isn't shaped by machines alone. It's shaped by how we choose to use them. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.